Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the most stylish and standout fashion pieces from the internet. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Parthea Satin spaghetti strap party crop top, the Avidlove women's silk satin camisole. This isn't just your average cami. It's the kind of top that turns heads, elevates outfits, and becomes your go-to for a night out or even layering chic. Let's start with what makes this top special. Made with 96% polyester and 4% spandex, the Avidlove Satin Cami combines that signature silky shine with a slight stretch for comfort. It's designed to drape beautifully over the body, giving it that effortlessly sexy vibe. The fabric feels cooling and breathable, perfect for warm weather and summer nights. The cut is where it really shines. The cowl neck gives the front a soft, elegant drape, while the back is cropped and open, held together by an adjustable bow tie strap. This isn't just stylish, it's functional, allowing you to fit it to your body exactly how you like. And with the thin adjustable spaghetti straps, you're getting both minimalism and customization in one sleek piece. This cami top brings a full Y2k aesthetic with a modern twist. The crop length hits just right to pair with high-waisted jeans or skirts, letting you show just the right amount of skin. The backless design and delicate straps are playful yet sophisticated, perfect for turning a basic outfit into something bold and fashion-forward. The cowl neck adds softness and elegance, making it ideal for layering with accessories like pendant necklaces or bold earrings. It comes in a variety of sizes, including this featured XX large and black, which makes it versatile for many body types while keeping its sleek silhouette. And let's talk about black, the timeless color that adds glam and goes with absolutely everything in your wardrobe. The Avidlove Satin Camisole is a chameleon. Wear it on a night out with high-waisted leather pants and heels. Throw on a blazer and you've got a flirty yet professional look for a date or dinner. Heading to a festival or summer party? Pair it with denim shorts and boots. It's lightweight enough to keep you cool, but the satin finish makes it luxe enough to feel dressed up. What really sells this cami is its adaptability. You can dress it up or down, and it transitions effortlessly from casual daytime brunch to upscale evening events. Let's quickly run through the core features. Soft, breathable satin fabric. Cowl neck front. Adjustable spaghetti straps. Backless with a bow tie. Cropped for easy pairing with high-rise pieces. Imported quality, and it comes as a single piece. No extra frills, just pure satin beauty. It's one of those wardrobe pieces that looks high fashion but feels as easy as throwing on a tee. It's stylish, comfortable, versatile, and it gives off that expensive look without the price tag. If you're hunting for the perfect party crop top, this is it. That's why we're calling it the best Parthea Satin spaghetti strap party crop top. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want us to review more trending fashion pieces. See you next time.